It is absolutely blissful here today. This is peace. I feel very blessed to have this little slice of heaven. And although there are some building works going on in the distance, it's not distracting my peace or destroying my peace. I feel very, very, very grounded and connected to Mother Earth. I'm loving all the bluebells being out. This spring in the UK is heaven sent. I haven't enjoyed a spring like this since 2020. It's just beautiful. It's sunny. It's glorious. This is like proper British springtime, how it should be. How I remember it from when I was a child. Not that I have many memories of childhood. I don't even know what I want to say. I'm just in the moment. Just enjoying it. Just breathing in. Like Ralph Smart says, breathing in that good ass prana, baby. I've been taking Vitex Agnus Castus, which is a herbal remedy. It is used for things like PMS, low libido, and perimenopause. And I have been back in the game with that. And it's definitely helping balance my hormones. And my yoni, the fanny flutters, the yoni pulse is even stronger because my hormones are balanced. It's really been helping. I recommend it. There's also black cohosh as well, but I haven't been taking that. Just Vitex. And I'm literally just having 10 drops every morning when I wake up, 10 drops of Vitex tincture in a little shot of water. And that's it. And then I build that up to 15 drops leading up like the week before my period. And I've been testing it out. So basically I was doing this for a while and then I stopped. I wanted to see if there was a difference, and there definitely is. Anyway, I hope you're doing all right. If you're not, please don't kick yourself when you're down. If you're not doing all right, sometimes it's okay to not be all right, but do seek support, reach out for support if you're not doing all right, because you are worthy of support. Life can be difficult sometimes, so be kind to yourself. It doesn't matter if you haven't got everything figured out just yet. Haven't got it all figured out just yet. 'Cause I got one hand in my pocket and the other one is giving a peace sign. If you can hear a train, you probably can't, but there's a train, a chugging train, like an old-fashioned steam train, called the Bluebell Railway. And I can hear it. When I'm talking to you, I speak posher than I do when I'm speaking to you, I speak posher than I do with my friends and my family. And it really bothers me because I sometimes think, why am I speaking so posh? I feel like I'm being very posh. With some friends, I do speak posher because they speak posher. I'm such a chameleon. If I ever moved to Australia, I would literally be speaking Australian immediately. I'd pick it up so quick. It's so funny, yet so annoying. I don't even know if you can hear these birds. The frequency of bird song, telling you now, is so good for your energy body. So good for you. Those frequencies, it's like so good. God, I'm so glad that the spring has sprung so beautifully this year. Oh, I cannot get enough of it. I'm so grateful to be able to feel this deeply as well, like to enjoy such simplicity in a world of extreme dopamine hits. Don't get me wrong, I get sucked in. I have a terrible YouTube addiction. It is terrid. That's what Rory and I say, terrid, meaning horrible, horrid, and terrible, terrid. Yeah, I get sucked into YouTube. But I swear, coming into nature, I feel so good that I feel so blessed that I can experience so much pleasure from nature. I feel sad that so many people and children are so disconnected from our earth. So disconnected from the food they eat, the plants they're eating, the animals they're eating, which eat the land, which eat the plants on the land. So disconnected from the land, the soil, the earth, the sky. And I just think it's nuts. It seems like the people in power just sort of care about things that are, I'm not saying they're not important, but we really need to consider our home. This planet Earth is our home. Mother Earth is our home. We really need to start treating our home with a lot more respect and reverence and appreciation and love. Mother Earth and Father Sky. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going to shut up now. This has been 8 minutes. Bye.